Using Beacons.ai to sell digital products is a straightforward process that helps you create a personalized landing page to showcase and sell your items. Here's how to get started. Sign up and create an account. Visit Beacons.ai and sign up for a free or paid account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard where you can start building your page. Create a landing page. Design a personalized landing page for your digital products. Beacons.ai allows you to add multiple sections such as text, images, links to highlight your products. You can upload product descriptions, showcase images, and add call to action buttons like buy now or download. Add digital product links. For selling digital products such as ebooks, courses, or music, you can upload files directly to Beacons or link to external platforms where your products are hosted. Use PayPal or Stripe to integrate payment gateways so customers can purchase your products securely. Promote your page. Share the link to your Beacons.ai page on social media, email newsletters, or websites. Use your social channels to direct traffic to your page and highlight your digital products to drive sales. Manage sales and earnings. Beacons.ai tracks your clicks and sales, allowing you to monitor your income and optimize your offerings.